Lloyd, what are you doing?
It feels like you're running at an incredible rate, Harry.
Quit it. We're not even through Connecticut yet, and already you're annoying me.
Sorry. Jeez. We're really doing it, though, aren't we, buddy?
Yeah. Hey, where'd you get those?
I bought them when we filled up.
Well, wait, but we're supposed to talk about all expenditures, Lloyd. We are on a very tight budget.
This didn't come out of our travel fund.
Oh.
No, I was able to raise 25 extra bucks before we left.
Where did you get 25 extra bucks?
I sold some stuff to Billy and 4C.
The blind kid?
Yeah.
What did you sell him, Lloyd?
Stuff.
What kind of stuff?
I don't know. A few baseball cards, a sack of marbles. Petey.
Petey? You sold my dead bird to a blind kid? Lloyd, what do you... Petey didn't even have a head.
Harry, I took care of it.
Pretty bird. Yeah, can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Yes, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Polly, wanna